Welcome back, everyone, to the channel where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. Today, we are talking about one of the most common, most important, and honestly, most scary situations in English. Introducing yourself. We are going to break it all down step by step, so by the end of this video, you will feel completely confident the next time someone says, "So, tell me about yourself." Now, before we dive in, my co-host Jack is here with me today. And Jack, how are you feeling?
Emma, I am not good. I am actually really nervous right now. I have to go to a new class today, and I know the teacher is going to ask everyone to introduce themselves, and every time someone says, "Tell me about yourself," my brain just stops. It goes completely blank. To be honest, I forgot my own name for a second this morning.
You forgot your own name?
For like 3 seconds, yes. I panicked. I just stood there thinking, who am I? What is my name? Where do I live? It was a disaster, Emma. A complete disaster.
Oh, Jack. First of all, you are not alone. This happens to so many English learners, and honestly, it happens to native speakers too. Introductions feel very formal and scary, but here is the good news. Today, I am going to teach you, and everyone watching at home, a simple 3-step formula that makes introductions feel totally natural. Once you know these 3 steps, you will never freeze up again. Step 1 is your name and where you are from. Step 2 is your work or studies. And step 3 is your hobbies and interests. 3 steps. That is it. We are going to go through every single one together, and we are going to practice right now.
Okay, I can do this. I feel a little better already.
Good. And hey, before we jump into the lesson, if this video is already helpful and we have not even started the lesson yet, please do us a huge favor.
Yes, everyone watching right now, please hit that like button for us. It truly helps this channel grow, more than you know. And if you are new here and you want to keep learning English in a fun and easy way, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. It means the world to us. Okay, Emma, I am ready. Let us do this.
Perfect. Let us start with step 1, your name and where you are from. Now, Jack, I want you to introduce yourself the way you normally would. Just go for it, totally natural.
Okay. Hello, my name is Jack. I am coming from my hometown. I am 25 years old. It is very nice to meet you.
Okay, that was a great first try, and I love the confidence, but I want to help you sound a little more natural. There were a couple of small things. First, I am coming from. That is a very common mistake. Coming from sounds like you are on your way right now, like you are traveling. Instead, we say I am from. Or if you want to sound even more natural and a little more interesting, you can say, I am originally from my hometown, but now I live in. And then you add where you live currently. This tells a small story, and people love a small story.
Oh, that is actually really smart. It gives more information without being too much.
Exactly. And the second thing, instead of, "Hello, my name is Jack," try, "Hi, I am Jack," or just, "Hey, I am Jack." My name is Jack is not wrong, but it sounds a little stiff, a little formal, like you are reading from a textbook. In a real conversation, most people just say, "I am Jack."
Okay, let me try again. Hi, I am Jack. I am originally from my hometown, but right now I am living in a new city. It is really nice to meet you.
Yes. Do you hear the difference, everyone? That already sounds so much more natural. And one more little tip, "It is really nice to meet you" is perfect, but you can also say, "Great to meet you," or "So nice to meet you." These small changes make a huge difference in how confident and fluent you sound.
I feel like a different person already, just from step one.
And we have 2 more steps to go. But first, I want to do something fun. We want to meet all of you watching right now. Seriously, we read the comments. So here is your challenge. Go to the comments section right now while the video is still playing and type this. Hi, I am, and then your name, and I am from, and then your country. That is it. That is your first introduction in English, and we will be reading every single one. You are already practicing. You are already doing it. Go on, we will wait.
We are so excited to meet you down there. Okay, Emma, step 2. This is the one I always mess up the most.
Tell me about it, Jack.
So normally I would say something like, I make the job of a student, or I do a student. Something like that.
I make the job of a student. Oh, Jack, I love you, but we need to fix this immediately. So in English, we never say make the job. The correct phrases are I work as A and then your job title, or I am A and then your job title, or if you are studying, you say I am currently studying and then your subject. So for example, I work as a teacher. I am a nurse. I am currently studying business at university. These are the 3 most common and natural ways to talk about what you do.
So I would say, I am currently studying English, and I also work part-time as a delivery driver.
Perfect. That is so natural. And I want to point something out. Jack just gave 2 pieces of information in 1 sentence. He studies and he works part-time. Giving a little extra detail like that makes you sound fluent and confident. It also gives the other person something to ask a follow-up question about, which makes the conversation flow so much more easily.
Oh, I never thought about it that way. Like, I am helping the conversation keep going by giving them something to ask me about.
Exactly right. You are making the conversation easier for everyone, including yourself. Okay, step 3. My personal favorite, hobbies and free time. Jack, go ahead.
All right, my hobbies are sleeping and eating.
Oh, Jack, honestly, same. But let us make this sound a little more impressive for the people we are meeting for the first time. 2 things here. First, my hobbies are sounds very textbook, very memorized. It is not wrong, but it is not how most native speakers talk. A much more natural phrase is, in my free time, I really enjoy, and then you use the verb with ing. So, in my free time, I really enjoy cooking. I really enjoy hiking. I love watching films. I am really into photography. These phrases sound relaxed and genuine, like you are just having a normal chat.
So instead of, my hobbies are reading and music, I would say, in my free time, I really enjoy reading, and I am also really into listening to music, especially when I am on the bus.
Beautiful. And again, see what Jack did there? He added a tiny detail, especially when I am on the bus. That one little detail makes it feel like a real conversation and not a memorized speech. It makes you sound human.
Okay, Emma, I think I am ready to put it all together. Can I try the full introduction?
The floor is yours, Jack.
Okay, deep breath. Hi everyone, I am Jack. I am originally from my hometown, but right now I am living in a new city. I am currently studying English, and I also work part-time as a delivery driver. In my free time, I really enjoy reading and listening to music. It is so great to meet you all.
Everyone, can we appreciate that for a moment? That was absolutely brilliant. At the beginning of this video, Jack forgot his own name, and now listen to him. Confident, natural, warm, and completely fluent sounding. And here's the thing. What Jack just did, you can do too, right now. Pause this video and say your own introduction out loud. Use the 3 steps. Step 1, your name and where you are from. Step 2, your work or studies. Step 3, your hobbies and free time. Say it out loud. Do not just watch, practice.
Seriously, saying it out loud is the secret. Even if you are alone in your room, say it. Your brain needs to hear your own voice saying these words.
Okay, let us do a quick recap. The 3-step formula for a perfect English introduction. Step 1, your name and origin. I am your name. I am originally from your place. Step 2, your work or studies. I work as your job, or I am currently studying your subject. Step 3, your hobbies. In my free time, I really enjoy, and then verb plus ing, 3 steps. That is your formula. Write it down, save this video, and use it the next time someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
You have got this, everyone. I promise.
Thank you all so much for watching today. You are not just learning English, you are part of this family, and we are so proud of every single one of you. If you found this helpful, please give us a like, leave your introduction in the comments, and share this video with a friend who is also learning English. We will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.